Hey everyone, welcome back to our week 5 math lesson. A couple weeks ago we did money, and last week we did working on a graph. This week we're going to go back to money. So a couple weeks ago we looked at identifying money and sorting money and counting money as well. So moving forward, we're going to look at the value of money because when we go out, we need to know how much things cost and we need to know how much money and what money we need to buy things. So a good example is our main character, Greg, in the story that Miss Brittany is reading to us, A Diary of a Wimpy Kid. A few weeks back, we read that he was going to the movie theater and he wanted to buy some snacks. And this upcoming week, he's going to a sleepover. And I don't know about you, but anytime I've gone to a sleepover, I like to bring snacks. So we need to know how much money is worth so we know how much money we can use to buy our favorite snacks and such things. So I have a little activity to show you that you can practice at home that will help you kind of match money and learn the value of certain coins. Let's get started. So what I did for this activity is I took some paper and I took some coins and I outlined the coins on some paper. And so you can take whatever you have laying around the house. So I had these little square pieces of paper. I took a marker and I traced the quarter around. And inside the quarter, I wrote 25 cents because that's how much a quarter's worth. I wrote quarter at the top, so you know how to identify it, how much it's worth, and again, it's worth 25 cents. We practiced that. And then down here, I taped a quarter to the paper so you can identify it visually. So as you're going through the activity, you put your coins in. Put your quarter here and here and here, and so on. And I made one for nickel, dime, penny, and quarter as well. So I'll show you how to get started. So now here you can see all the pieces of paper that I created for our value matching activity. Down below, I have a bunch of coins that I've scattered around. They're all mixed up. You don't necessarily have to mix them up to start, but just an idea. And you can see, so we have a quarter here. So we take our quarter, which is worth 25 cents. We're going to match it right onto the paper. Another quarter on the 25 cents. Let's find something else. Here's a dime. Where's our dime? It is over here on the end. Here's our dime worth 10 cents. So it's always good to name the coin as you're doing this activity and how much it's worth. Just keep practicing and repeating. Here's another dime. It's little, it's silver, dime. And let's go over to our penny, our little orange penny. It's worth 1 cent. Right there, let's get another one. Put it in. Now, let's fill up some nickels. Our nickel worth 5 cents. Looks similar to a quarter, but it's a little bit smaller. Here's another nickel. I'm going to go ahead and finish the activity. So here's what the activity will look like when you're finished. There we go. And because I like to tie in other skills, we can take these and we can ask, how many pennies did we put on the paper? 6. There are 6 pennies. So you can tie in some composing and subitizing skills there. Some core vocabulary you could use while doing this activity. I put, you put in, or you put on. You could say you put here or there. I'm finished. So that's our lesson for week 5. Starting to look at the value of money. This week we look at the value of our 4 coins, our quarter, nickel, penny, and our dime. Practice the skill at home. When we meet again, we'll work on some dollar amounts. Take care. Have a great week.